Ever heard of the Fibonacci sequence? It's not just math, it's everywhere: nature, art, trading, and even computer science. And today I will show you exactly how to build it in Python step by step. The Fibonacci sequence starts with 0 and 1, and then each number is the sum of the previous two, like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and so on. Let's write a simple Python function that prints the Fibonacci sequence up to a certain number of terms. Define Fibonacci. Inside the bracket, enter n. A comma b equal 0 comma 1 for underscore in range. Inside the bracket, enter n. Print a comma and equal quotation if space a comma b equal b comma a plus b. Now call the function Fibonacci, pass n equal 10. A and B start as 0 and 1. Each loop prints A, and then we update both variables. A becomes B and B becomes the sum of A plus B. Save and run. Control plus S for save, Shift plus F10 for run. We got 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and 34. This prints the first 10 numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Simple and clean. But if you want to use the sequence later in your program, let's return it as a list. Define get underscore Fibonacci. Inside the bracket, enter n. Sequence equal empty list. A comma b equal 0 comma 1. For underscore in range. Inside the bracket, enter n. Sequence dot append. Inside the bracket, enter a. A comma b equal b comma a plus b. Return sequence. Let's take one variable result equal get underscore Fibonacci and pass n equal 10. Okay. Print result. We create an empty list called sequence and append each Fibonacci number to it. At the end, we return the list. Save and run. Okay, I'm going to comment out generate Fibonacci using a for loop. Select all, control plus /. Okay, generate Fibonacci using a for loop is commented out. Now save and run. We got a list. This gives you the entire sequence stored in a variable. You can use it for plotting, calculation, or anything else. Want to impress your friends? Let's do it with recursion, a function calling itself. Define fib, that is Fibonacci, underscore recursive inside the bracket, enter n. If n less than or equal 1, return n. Then enter return Fibonacci recursive of n-1 plus Fibonacci recursive of n-2. For I in range, pass n equal 10. Print Fibonacci recursive of I, comma, and equal, quotation, keep space. This version checks if n is 0 or 1, base cases. Otherwise, it returns the sum of the two previous Fibonacci calls. Save and run. Okay. We got the output 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, 34. While this looks cool, it's slow for large n because it recalculates a lot, but it helps you understand the beauty of recursion. Quick recap. Here's what we covered. Fibonacci using a loop, returning the sequence as a list, Fibonacci with recursion. With just a few lines of Python, you have built one of the most famous number patterns in history. Now you know how to generate Fibonacci sequence like a pro. Drop a comment if this helped. Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to Master of Data Science for more beginner to advanced Python tutorials.